recipe is Chapli Kebab. This was actually a request recipe and I really enjoyed trying this recipe. I'm going to show you guys how to make this recipe with mutton mince, and it's got a lot of flavors. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Chapli Kebab, I'm going to pound a few spices, starting with 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Pound the coriander seeds to a nice coarse powder. So using freshly pounded coriander powder can actually add to the flavor of the dish. Next, I'm going to pound 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. So I have pounded the cumin to a nice coarse powder. I have half kilo of minced mutton. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground coriander powder, freshly ground cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Next, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Next, I'm going to add 2 green chilies finely chopped. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Next, add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. To this, I'm going to add 1 small onion finely chopped. Next, I'm going to add 1 small tomato that's deseeded and finely chopped. Add a few chopped coriander leaves. Next, add 1 egg. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masla powder. Mix all the ingredients together. Once the meat mix is ready, I'm going to start making the kebabs. Take a pan, add oil. Take a little bit of the meat mix. Make a nice big patty. Make sure it's nice and flat. Once you've made the patty, gently slide it into the hot oil. Cook on low flame for 5 minutes on each side. Hope you guys enjoyed this delicious kebab. I actually enjoyed trying it and actually savoring this. You can enjoy this as is or with some salad by the side, or if you do want to have it with a dip, you can definitely have a yogurt dip. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.